is fight! Round 1. Total Combat!
Oh my.
Oh.
Yan,
Yan,
wala-walaan nyo
30
na.
seconds. Remember, you have 30 seconds.
Pati yung mga nasa FB, nasa lobby, pwede kayo manghula. Yun, tulungan mo
Yes,
sila.
pwede din kayo manghula. Ano yung mga guesses nyo? Magkano yung total retail price, Habite retail price of these three items combined?
Four,
We go 3, 2, 1! Your answers are locked in. Wala nang ano yan. Wala nang
Bawi.
back pedal.
Touch move, touch move.
Touch move. Touch move. Touch move.
Let's move.
Okay guys, ano, ready na kayo? Kasi I'm going to reveal
Ready.
the solution.
Ready.
Here we go!
Kasi,
Hindi na mababa.
Good game.
Oh,
Oh
Oh my god. It is expensive.
Wala na ako.
sa ami-ami ko dapat, kaso
Yes,
mahal.
oo.
2.5. Tama ako. Yung last one is hindi ako sure.
sino mananalo?
Special yata, 3,000 na ata eh.
Ay, exclusive.
Kaya shit. Ang mahal pala nun ng puta.
Level
Wala na
5.
mag-ibigay siya dito.
Nang sakto na yun.
Mahal
Yung
sa
yung
Here are our results. These are the people who were able to make it. First, we
Ayun.
have
Let's go!
Mixed Genre Girl,
Nice.
Ryu,
Congrats.
Isamu07, Coral, Jay Agonoy, and Carlo. Ayun. So, once again, thank you again to all the other people who participated. And here we go. Round 2 na tayo ngayon.
Round 2. Star War!
Oh,
Ayun.
kahilo.
So, hindi lang kayo. Remember, you have 20 seconds to answer. Once again, just send your answers to ang ating one prize fight manager. And guys, in Facebook, if you want to join in, pwede kayong sumali. All you have to do is submit, remember, the item number and the letter. Pwede kayong
Pwede kayo manghula, guys. Tulungan nyo yung mga kasali dito.
kung baka wala silang idea, baka sila na idea kung ano pa yung mga items na. This looks like a cellphone holder.
Kala ko bagong flavor ng Hello Panda.
Matcha flavor
Matcha?
Hello Panda, yes.
Matcha.
Item number 3. So, parang Genshin Impact yata to, guys.
Yes, it is.
Ako din siya.
Wow. Genshin Impact. Mga stickers ito ng Genshin Impact. Saan kaya galing yung stickers?
Yan, yun nasa FB. Saka lagi tulungan nyo sila. Alay nyo share kayo. O sa'yo yung ulo ng Gendo. Diba? Pag nanalo, tulungan nyo sila.
Pwede, malay may balato nila yung voucher, di ba?
Oh, yung voucher. Oo, tama. Tulungan nyo, tulungan nyo.
Item number 4.
It's Amber from Genshin Impact. Or rather, yung minion ni Amber. Tama ba? Baron
Tama
ba
ba yun, guys? People in FB? Ano? Tama ba yun?
Hindi nyo hula. Ano, saan nabibig ko?
Item 5. Ito na, item 5.
For-
item number
for-
5.
Sabi na, for daw.
Okay.
Yan.
Easy.
Easy.
It's a giveaway. It's a giveaway.
Oo nga eh.
Kung mag-score kayo ng 0 dito sa game na ito, ayaw ko na.
I already got a copy of that.
Yeah. I
5C
think,
daw, 5C. May mga sagot dito sa FB.
I think
sabi
we have a
nila
friend
kasi.
who would like a copy of that as well.
Ito, I think, Genshin din ba yan? Genshin Impact din ba?
FGO.
Kwang Genshin, hindi.
FGO, FGO.
FGO. Oo, nga no.
May nagkatulog
Icon.
parang quiz daw sa school. Yung laro natin.
Yung comments natin sa FB, parang ano yung mga section eh.
Parang sa eskwela na tayo, no?
Yun nga eh.
O yun,
Ayan.
Genshin.
Keychains. Genshin Impact is the big hotness right now.
Yeah.
My God, I miss our art booths. I'm sure sila yung makikita natin sa mga art booth natin, no?
Kala ko yung mabuso yan.
Uma Musume naman next.
Wala pang translation Umamusume, kaya mahina pa.
Number 8.
Thank you.
Para sa mahilig sa mga pusa.
At aso. Aso ba yan? What?
Pusa yun.
Pusa lahat?
Pusa yan. Pusa ba? Wala nang aso. Pusa.
Wala bang
Pusa.
Parang may, ano,
Parang ano eh. Ano yun?
parang may Shiba.
Oh, yun.
Ay,
Shiba
pusa,
Inu,
pusa,
diba?
pusa.
Parang kamukha ng isa. Parang Shiba Inu. Item number 9. Dalawang items
Uy,
na
Love Live.
8D daw, 8D.
Love Live is still strong after all these years.
Valentine Drink Babies. Tawag dito. Stickers. Yeah, a lot of these are from usually mga fan artists. Okay, finally, last item na ito, guys. Get ready. Ito na yun. Item number 10.
What's that?
Ano yan?
Fan?
Hindi ba yan yung yung ginagamit sa mga
Yun yung
multo?
presyo, 300.
Yung kaya yung pangampas sa ulo sa anime, yung
Yun nga,
pang-wifi. Yung,
Harisen.
yun ba yun? Yung pangampas sa ulo. 10F na din.
Get ready, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we're gonna find out, since nakalock in na yung mga answers and sent na, we're gonna find out ano yung mga sagot. Malalaman nyo kung tama yung mga sagot niyo. Okay, get ready? Here are the solutions to Star Wars!
Oh my God. Oh no! Wala pa.
Taheru sticker set A and B, cost shop.
Sticker pala yan.
Tama ba kayo? Tama ba kayo doon?
Hello, kumusta? yung kero. Yun.
And the phone stand
It's a
holder.
phone stand.
Mm.
Obvious na yung panda eh.
Parang gusto ko yun Gusto mo
Genshin
na.
Impact stickers from Timelapse.
Eh, tumama na ba?
May
Sa akin pa lang ako tatawa.
Amber's Baron Bunny sticker. Genshin Impact din. Answer is A. Stardust Printing Press.
Baliktad.
Oh no.
Go!
Pag ito talaga.
I hope everybody got this right.
This is the one. This is the pen. I have it. Okay.
Eight Grand Order. Yan. Saber class sticker. HD. Yun. Genshin Impact acrylic chain from Timelapse Universe. Answer is
Ang
B.
interesting naman ang products ni Timelapse.
Alam mo, punta si Geneva after nito.
Keychains.
Oo
That's
nga
at
eh.
yun.
no.
Copy, oh. Meron ng aso eh. Shiba Inu.
May dog naman pala.
That wears. May dog yun. Shiba Inu. Love Live Valentine's Day
Right,
Baby
okay.
stickers from A. Stardust.
Ala.
Finally, Yumika Daisenko Blade.
Ah, yun.
It's a light
Light
stick.
Scan. Yes.
Let's go!
Here are the scores. Get ready. Here we go. Mixed Genre Girl got 3 points. Ryu has 2 points. Isamu has 3 points. Coral 3 points. Jay Agono 5. Wow, Jay,
Grabe.
5. Carlo with 4.
J lang malakas.
Okay, so based on that, itong ating results si Samu, Carlo, and Jay Agonoy. Ayan.
Hey.
Here we go. Ito na. Last na ito. Final round is Outsmart the Cart.
Round 3. Outsmart the cart.
Go! "30 seconds." Ayun, nakikita ko na mga may Pokemon dyan. There's a
Ang gusto ko nung
One Punch Man.
Tatawagin ba kami to...
Yes, tatawagin kayo.
Okay.
Sasagutin nyo. Parang yung first round, one by one.
sila. Ayun daw, sabi ni Carlo Eugene, pa-shout out po sa Anizon ng Pilipinas. Shout out, Anizon.
One. Yan na! Okay, guys. I hope you had enough time to see the questions because now you need to give your answers. Okay, starting with Isamu.
Hello, A, B,
B. Last one.
D.
Yun lang ba or meron pa?
Yun lang po, yun lang. A, B,
Yun
D.
lang. So A and B only. Okay, A and B. Mukhang naging safe
Yes.
ito si Isamu, making sure na hindi siya mag-go-over. Okay, Carlo. Carlo.
I'm going with A, B, and D.
A, B, and D. Oy, dinagdagan ng D. So, A, B, and D. So, J. Finally, J. Ano
I hope
ang...
I'm right.
Hello?
I hope I'm right. So, Delta Bravo and letter F. DBF.
DBF.
B,
Yes.
F. Correct ba? D, B, and
Delta
F.
Bravo and F.
F.
Pafa.
Ano ba yung F? Papa? Falcon? And Winter Soldier?
Foxtrot. Sorry. Delta Bravo,
Okay.
Foxtrot. Okay.
Okay, guys. Your answers are locked in. Let's find out what
God.
the solution
Suspense.
is for Outsmart the Cart. First item, A is Toto Sodokor from My Hero Academia. 4,100 pesos. Two of our players choose that. Saber Altaria, Pendragon Lily, Pop-Up Parade, 1,850.
Not bad for 1.8.
Ang ganda nga eh.
Those types are all gathering gems.
Oh my
X
God.
Pocket Monster, 6,300.
Not bad for 6.3.
Ang
May
ganda
Gengar
naman.
pa. Oo nga.
Yung walang pumili sa C. Okay, next is Onaka Kusaka is 2,900 pesos only. Rem, of course, from Red Zero, 6,150. And finally, here we go, Saitama breaking the Meteor version, 2,300 pesos.
I was expecting
So,
that to be
guys.
more expensive.
Yeah,
Kaya
so
akala ko
guys.
mga sa 10 yun, ganun. Parang,
Okay, get ready. Here are the results. Isamu's total is 5,950. Carlos is 8,850 and Jay Agonoy is 7,050. So, in third place, Samu. Okay, next, for second place, Jay. And our grand champion winning the free Nendroid, courtesy of Habite, it is none other than Carlo! Congratulations! Thank you to everybody who